In this video, I wanted to show you how you can work with tables and make them accessible if your requirements go beyond some of the basics that SmartBuilder has built in. First, I want to go through with a screen reader and have you hear how the screen reader reads these three tables that you're seeing. The first table is one that was built in SmartBuilder. So let's see how it reads it.
Lesson main landmark table with 3 rows and 2 columns. Row 1 column 1. Column 2 bacon text. Row 2 column 1 best text. Column 2 bacon ipsum do lower emmet pork belly chuck cow kislik, venison pecanha biltong. Row 3 column 1 next best text. Column 2 bacon tongue swine, pork belly pig shoulder and dual kevin alcatra donor.
So this table treated bacon text as a column header, but it did not treat best text and next best text as row headers, which is what I was wanting. And I couldn't find a way to make that happen in SmartBuilder. So I tried building a table just using text objects, and that's what the table is on the right-hand side on the top. So let's see how it reads through that one.
Out of table bacon text. Best text. Bacon ipsum do lower emmet pork belly chuck cow kislik, venison pecanha biltong. Next best text. Bacon tongue swine, pork belly pig shoulder and dual kevin alcatra donor.
So it read through the information very similarly, but it didn't treat bacon text as a column header, and it still didn't treat best text and next best text as row headers. But it did read through all of the information. Now what I want to show you is how this one works that's on the right hand side on the bottom. It looks like the one on the top, but it reads completely different. Let's see how it reads.
Table with 1 column and 2 rows. Column 1 header bacon text. Row 1 header best text. Row 2 header next best text. Column 1 bacon text. Row 1 best text bacon ipsum do lower emmet pork belly chuck cow kislik. Venison pecanha biltong. Column 1 best text. Row 2 next best text bacon tongue swine, pork belly pig shoulder, and dual kevin alcatra donor.
Okay, so that one read how I wanted it to. It announced each of the column headers, the row headers, and then as it read each of the items, it told me where I was at in the table. So to do this, it's pretty easy, and I'll show you how. So I built the table that's on the bottom right using images rather than text. I had built out this entire table on the top right using text. And then what I did is I used my screenshot tool, which I use fast stone capture, to take those screenshots. I can just hit the shortcut key, take a snap of one of the pieces of text, and place it into my duplicate table down here. And then for each one of these, I select the image, and in the description, I have given it a description that reads exactly the way I want the information read. You can see here that I have column 1 bacon text, row 1 best text, and then it reads the content of the cell. So that way the person always knows where they're at in the table. There are other ways that you can handle this, but this is just one option that you could consider if you're needing to make a custom table that reads a certain way and you need it to go beyond the capabilities that SmartBuilder offers.